I'm just doing a quick video, you guys, about this unice, or is it unice? I think it's unice hair. This wig that I'm rocking today. I just wanted to do a quick video. I was supposed to do an unboxing, but I did not. This is not even really a review or an unboxing. I guess I don't know what to call it. It can't be a review because today is my only day wearing it. But I guess it can kind of be a review because my twins have been wearing theirs for about 2 weeks or a week or two now, and they absolutely love it. And like I said, today is my first day wearing mine, and I absolutely love it as well. I really wasn't supposed to wear this today. I was supposed to rock me a nice, sleek, cute ponytail. Just took my braids out. That was way overdue to come out. And yeah, that's what I was supposed to do, y'all. But it didn't end up working that way. I didn't have time to sit there, and like I was just, you know, pressed for time. And I didn't have time to, you know, sit there and make sure to, you know, when you do a sleek ponytail, it got to be on point. It got to be sleek. It got to be smooth. It got to be everything. You know what I'm saying? And I just didn't have time for that today. So I just threw this on. This was so quick and easy. I love the way it turned out. And I just like it a lot. I do plan on getting a lot more of these. This is one of the headbands that came with it. So yes, I think we paid $93 or $96 plus tax, I believe, for these wigs. Like I said, I bought 3 at once because I bought me and my girls one. This is another one of the headbands that came with it. I don't know if I'll ever wear this. I mean, maybe to go work out or something like that, but like to actually wear out, I don't think so. Honestly, I really didn't think I was going to wear this one because I don't know. I just didn't really think it was like, you know, but I ended up wearing it with my outfit today. So yeah, I just was like, whatever. And it was cute. I put it on like, okay, I guess it flow. It's cute. So this one is just like the one that I have on now, except for it's pink, kind of. Is it the same? Yeah, it's pretty much the same, I think. Except for it's pink instead of this blue color. So, you know, I might end up rocking this or something. I feel like it was some other ones that came with it, but I don't know where they are if it did. So, but I just wanted to come and show y'all this wig. Like I said, it has a comb in the front. So I have a comb right here in my braid. It also has a comb right back here. And y'all, I did not put my hair in no cornrows like I usually do, because again, I had just washed my hair. I was running late, so I was trying to hurry up and get out the house. So I just put like one, you know, little braid down the middle. But anyways, it's a comb right here as well attached. And then the Velcro. Nice Velcro. And y'all, it's so cute. It's sturdy. It's good. It's A1. I like it a lot. Like I said, I will definitely be ordering more. I want the really curly one, a longer one. So I'm just excited about it because it's so low maintenance. I'm about to get some more braids just because it's summertime. And, you know, we be riding like in a drop top a lot, and I don't want my hair blowing. I don't want to have to worry about my hair, you know, braids. I don't have to worry about any of that. So that's, you know, my main goal for the summer. So like I said, again, I will be getting some more braids and just like, you know, rocking with that. But and I want to get some more like cute headbands, so some I can dress up, like if I wanted to get dressy with this wig, you know what I mean, and have a cute like dressy outfit on, because this is just basic regular. We went to the park today, so there was no need to be all, you know, whatever to do that. So but I want some more headbands that I could be like, you know, if I want to be a little glam with my outfit, I could do that. But anywho, so you guys, I also, another thing I wanted to show y'all was these that I recently purchased. I don't know if y'all can see them, but I thought they were super duper cute. And they are just cute. I haven't worn them yet, so that's why the tag is still on there. But yeah, I cannot wait to rock these. We finna be going to Texas in about a week or so, and I just can't wait to rock them. So but yeah, so yes, y'all. But anywho, so these are the sunglasses, recent sunglasses I just got, and the original price on these are like $4.40, but I didn't pay that much for them. I got me a little deal. But anyways, y'all, so they are super cute. And I just can't wait, you know, to wear them. So super excited about this. And I think that's it, y'all. This is probably a short video unless I incorporate it with something else. But that's all I wanted to come at y'all with and show y'all this unice wig. Unice. Somebody tell me how to say it, please. Oh, also this wig came with caps, wig caps. You know, stocking caps. Put over your head, you know. So I'm just super excited, especially I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love them just because I said my girls have been rocking theirs and they absolutely love it. So I will definitely be getting more. So y'all already know, make sure y'all rate, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you know when I upload videos. I appreciate you guys. Please keep me motivated because sometimes this whole YouTube situation, I just feel like I should just give up and stop because I feel like my channel is not doing what it needs to do. It's not giving what it needs to give. And I really love, you know, recording and uploading content, but it is time consuming and that time could be spent elsewhere if, you know, if it's not making sense. You know, time is money. So I just want to make sure what I'm doing is making sense. Some type of way, you know, I'm not looking forward to having 1 million subscribers or anything like that, but I would like to see some, you know, I want to see some progression with my channel. And I've had this channel for so long, which I have said before, I've had this channel for like 6 years, but I have never been consistent with uploading content until probably the last 6 months. It's probably been like 7 or 8 months now that I've been really consistent. I haven't been consistent with uploading content until like the last 6 or 7 months. I have been extremely consistent, at least every week uploading content. I feel like I need to up the ante, up my game, and upload more content maybe, and then maybe I will see some results then. But you know, when you got a whole family and you working, and I got this whole business thing going on, it's just really hard. So I do as much as I can, and it takes time to upload and edit these videos and record the videos. You know, it's a lot that goes into, you know, doing YouTube. And you know, I'm doing it, but I'm just not really reaping the benefits. And I know things take time, so I'm really trying not to be impatient, and I'm a very impatient person. I like to see results. Yeah, I just need to see results, you know. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to try to stick with it, keep it going. Because a lot of times in life, that's what happens. As soon as our breakthrough is going to come, or we're going to start to see some progression, we end up giving up, you know, right before that time. You know, sometimes patience is everything. You just have to have that patience. And, you know, and I'm sure in due time, you know, it's just kind of frustrating though. So I'm going to keep it going though, y'all, for as long as I can until I'm going to keep it going though, y'all, for as long as I can until I'm just really over it, you know. So it is, you know, a lot though. So, but anyways, I just feel like my time could be spent elsewhere, you know, seriously, if I'm not seeing, you know, progression and results. So, but with that being said, I just want to thank y'all for stopping by my channel. Make sure y'all rate, comment, and subscribe. And I think that's all I got to say to y'all tonight. It's late, wind down time. Chill, relax, lay back. Tomorrow's Sunday. Get ready for the work week. And, you know, go from there. It is for a little bit. This was a gift to me from my godsons. Here's one of them. Hello. So yes, him and his brother got this for me, but I need to get it to do it just right. So I need to adjust it a little bit. It does look like milk, but that's smoke. So cool. Now make sure y'all rate, comment, and subscribe.